Hey, this is Glenn, a 6'1", half dozen other, where I review things at 6 months and 1 year and beyond. Porter cable, a little oscillating tool. I paid $69.98 for it, August 15th, 2018. Let's see what they go for now. 69 up. Are they available anymore? Huh. Available from other sellers. Well, they look about the same price, you know. But I'm gonna let's see. Let's see, 71, 84, 85. So looks like I got a good deal on mine, right? Let's see, go back. Yeah, looks like I got a good deal. $69.98. Anyways, I did a video. I'm going to put that video in here, and you can hear and my real world review as I do reviews. You know, anyways, I do the reviews how I do it. People, I'm a contractor. I just work the crap. I'm not going to show you how it works. There's tons of videos like that out there. I'm just saying, since I purchased this, it has worked, and I use the crap out of it, and that's really all you need to know. If you don't know how to use one, then you shouldn't be buying it to begin with. But anyways, I'm going to show you the video I just shot outside, and I'll be right back. So here we go. Hey, this is Glenn, your contractor with a van and a trailer. I always have to show my van and trailer, so people don't think I'm lying to them. See? Stands over there. This little oscillator thingy, right? People use them to use little cutting tools. I like Porter cable stuff, but I will tell you this. I don't like this one. It's adequate. It's not, it's just adequate. Most of the time, I don't really use it that much, and I'll tell you why. And I think this is my second one. I will have to look and see. But they just don't have the power. You get cutting, and then it's just standing still if you put too much pressure on it. Of course, you have to have sharp instruments that cut, blah, blah, blah. You can't be cutting with a butter knife, you know what I mean? But it doesn't have that. It doesn't have as much power as I'd like it to have. That's my review on that. So if you're looking to buy something that is really going to help cut through things like butter and do what you need, because this is a secondary tool and a more refined tool to bigger problems. You need to have other tools, and then this tool to be that last piece. You know what I mean? If you're going to use it for, like, let's say you're putting in basic baseboards, right, in a house, or you're just cutting, like, let's say drywall, and you're putting in electrical outlets and basic things like that, or what have you. Yeah, it's good. You can use it. If you're going to do light sanding, like after you make a cut, and you want all your edges to be sanded, you can buy one, I guess. Or you can just do what guys used to do, and you take a sanding block and you use that, because sometimes that's just as quick and better, because you have the feel of your hand onto something and you can get in the grooves. Anyways, that's my opinion on that. Back to the studio. And you're back. So hopefully that helps you out. If you want to buy one of these thingies, go right ahead. They cost a little bit more now, but maybe they're better. I don't know. I don't know if they've increased their, of course it's still 20 watt. And another thing too, you got to buy those bigger batteries. These little small batteries don't work. I should do a review on those. too, but yeah, this is just, that's what I'm talking about, baseboard. There you go. But you have to have sharp tools. Other than that, you're just wasting your time. Anyways, that's it. Hope it helped you out. If it did, subscribe to the channel so I can get enough subscriptions so I can make money off of these ads. And that's why I put my music at the end, by the way. I don't like doing things for free. All right. But if you need something, you want somebody that's brutally honest about reviews, that will say what they're good for and what they're not good for. I could demonstrate on some things, but there's so many guys out there doing it. You don't need me to do it. You just need me to tell you what I need to say. You know, it's not like I got this stuff for free. Okay, I didn't get any of it for free. I paid my own money, my own hard-earned money, just like you do. So, is it worth it? Yeah. Are there better things out there now in 2020? Probably. Maybe I would look into that. But I've had it for a long time. So 2018, 19, 20, I mean, it's, well, it's a little over 2 years old, and it's still working. So that's pretty good. And I beat the crap out of my stuff. So, you know, you might put it in little silk-laced boxes or something. I don't do that, okay? I just don't. So if you want something reviewed, let me know. You got to do it now because it's going to take a while before I even get to it. Unless it's coffee, wine, or cognac, then I review that at opening of bottles, and or put in my espresso machine, which I'll have another review on that too. Anyways, I'm signing out. You guys have a good one. I can't understand why you do what you do when you're freedom.